Hey, how you going? Welcome back to Japan Walks. Normally, I take you on a stroll around beautiful Kyoto, but today I'm switching things up and taking a drive. We'll be cruising around Kinkaku-ji area and driving along charming streets Soba Club. And today, I've got a fun little topic lined up for you. 3 things that foreigners find super surprising when they first come to Japan, yet Japanese people think they're totally normal. Number 1. Toilet technology. I'm not kidding. Japan's toilet tech is next level. You'll find toilet with heated seats, music, deodorizers, and more buttons than you can poke a stick at. It's a bit daunting at first, but you quickly get used to it. And then you can't go back to a regular toilet without feeling like something's missing. Number 2. Absolute silence on the public transport. Whether you're on a bustling city train or even a country bus, there's this unspoken rule to keep the noise down. People really chat, or if they do, they whisper. It's almost surreal. If you're used to lively commute back home, Japan's quiet trains will blow you away. Last, but definitely not least, bowing. It's so ingrained in daily life here. People bow to say thanks, to apologize, with just as friendly greeting. You'll catch yourself accidentally bowing back without even realizing, trust me. It's contagious, and if you mark up the angle or timing, no worries. Most locals are just happy you're giving it a go. So there you have it. 3 everyday things in Japan that might leave you a bit surprised when you first arrive. Let me know in the comments below what surprised you on a trip, or what you're keen to see if you haven't been there.
私といでいたわせさなたしたかぬらしき時の棚はなたわしです。
Alright, this is the end of this video, and if you like this video, give it a like or maybe hit a subscribe button. Catch you in the next video. See ya.